Hello everyone. So yesterday I talked about the introduction of stream. Today I'll be talking about how we can generate a stream. So let's deep dive into it. Let's say we already have a list. Now we need to convert it into a stream using list.stream. List is a variable, and then if I add stream, then it will basically convert into a stream. It will return a stream. Okay. So this is a list of string. So now it will return a stream of string. Okay. Now after that we can do the following operation like intermediate operation. Filter is an intermediate operation, and this is the terminal operation as I discussed yesterday, right? So for each it will basically print. So now if I run the program, you will see that it will print A. Why? Because we are filtering out B. Now next, the second step is like, let's say I have an array. Okay, so I have an array and I want to convert it into string. Okay, so how to do that? Let's say I have an array numbers with different values, and now arrays.string it will convert. So it is basically returning in string. Okay, so it is returning in string. Now if I run this program, it will basically print 1, 2. Okay. Next, so stream.off. So this is basically a static method. So it will also return a stream.off, and then there are values you can add. It will basically return a stream of string. Right? Now if I print this values, it will print all the string 1, 2. Okay. Same way for integer also, it will create a stream of integer and it will return integer string. Okay, so let's say I run it, so it will return 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it is done. Next, there is a builder. Okay, interface. So stream.builder, and then I can create like string.builder. If we call the builder method, this is also a static method inside a string. So if I call this, it will return string builder. Okay, so it is returning builder. Okay, so this is basically a sub interface. So that's why we should write it as string.builder, and it is also a string. I want to create a string. So this is a string, and string builder you can add Java, Python, right? So if I run this, it will also return the Java, Python. So this is basically using builder. Okay. Next, okay, so there is a generate method that we have. So stream.generate math.random, math:random, it will basically generate a random. Okay. So this is basically generating a random. Now next, so this is basically it takes the supplier. So generate method, it takes the supplier, and for this one it will return hello. Okay. So I have a limit of 5, so it is returning hello 5 times. Okay. Next, we have a method called iterate. So if I iterate it starting from 0, and every time it will step up by 2, and it's limited to 5. So its value will be 0, 2, 4, 6, like that. Okay. So if I run it, it will be 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Next, like the way we write it inside a for loop, we can write the same way in the stream iterate method. So if we run this, we'll also return the integer value like 1, 2, then 4, then 8, and then. Okay. Then there is a primitive string. So let's say in string, long string, double string we have. If we write in string.range, it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, because this range is basically excluding end exclusive. Okay. It will exclude the end number. And for this range closed, in this case, it will take all, it is inclusive of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let me run this. It will return 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For double string, it will return all the value. So it's same like double string dot off. Okay. So these are few ways by which we can create a string. Next, I'll talk about what are all method, intermediate method and terminal method we have in string. That I'll discuss in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Thank you so much.